Homework pressure? No more. At Spring Library, we explain every topic in simple way. Join the learning family and score high every day.
All right, so for the part A, we use Ohm's law, which is V equals IR. And so if you want to find I, the current, that's equal to V of voltage over resistance R. So it's 240 volts over 8.6 ohms, giving us 27.9 amps, or approximately 28 amps. And then we know that for part B, we know that current equals charge over time. So charge equals current times time. And so current, as we just found, is 27.9 amps multiplied by 50 minutes times 60 seconds. So 50, each minute is 60 seconds. So 50 times 60. And so this gives us 8.4 times 10 to the 4, or 84,000 coulombs.